Hey, real talk. Waking up with a puffy face sucks. Jawline is missing. Eyes look sleepy. Photos? Not happening. Today, 3 easy tricks to de-bloat your face fast. Simple, cheap, no nonsense. Watch once, save it. After this, there's no need for another video. Let's fix balloon mode right now. Trick 1, cold plus head up. Grab a chilled spoon or an ice roller. Wrap it in a cloth. Go gentle for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep the head slightly elevated. Use an extra pillow. Cold tightens the vessels. Head up helps the fluid move out. Think. Free mini facelift from the freezer. If the skin feels numb or stingy, stop. Be kind to the skin. Trick 2, 2-minute face massage plus water. Put a tiny drop of face oil for glide. Now light sweeps. From jawline to ears, then down the sides of the neck, to the collarbones. That's the drainage path. Keep pressure soft. You're moving fluid, not kneading dough. Finish with a big sip of water. Salt out. Puff out. Goodbye, bloated look. No return ticket. Trick 3, morning swaps that matter. Skip salty and sugary breakfast. No chips, no instant noodles, no soda. Swap to protein and potassium. Eggs or yogurt. Add a banana. Drink green tea or water. Got a big day tomorrow? Keep dinner low salt. Sleep slightly elevated. Wake up less puffy, more definition. Hello, jawline. Quick recap. 1, cold plus head up. 2, 2-minute massage plus water. 3, morning swaps, low salt, low sugar, protein, potassium. That's it. 3 steps, 2 minutes of effort, real results. You got this. Less puff, more jaw. See you in the next glow up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.